Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna just draw another sketch sample. You can see here we have the dimensions and we will use a circular pattern to pattern these circles. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comment. Let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. Here I click on new part, okay, and I'm gonna draw my sketch on the front plane. So I click on the front plane here and then I click on sketch. I have my sketch open. You can see a sketch here appears. So here is the origin point. So and we have two center lines. Here I choose this symbol here and I choose center line and I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. So I click on the origin point, and when you get close to the origin point here you can see an orange point appears. So I click on this point and here a vertical line, you can see the yellow symbol. And then we have a horizontal line. So I right click and here I choose select and then I choose center line and I begin my line from the origin point and here I right click and choose select. Here I have my center lines and here we have a pattern of circles. Here I draw a circle, so I choose circle here. It doesn't matter which type you use. I choose this type of circles. It means that you can see there are 2 points, 1, 2, and you will draw your circles with 2 points, with 2 clicks in fact. So I choose the point here and then I draw my circle. Please practice these commands and you will learn how to work with them. It needs just do practicing. Here I give it 8mm dimension. So here I choose a small dimension and I give my circle 8mm dimension. It's okay. And now we have a centered circle. So you can see a circle here. Here is a circle. So here I draw a circle at the origin point. So the center of the circle must be in the origin point and it's okay. If you choose the circle here, you can see in options for construction and your circle will be constructed. So hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the center of the center of the circle here, and these two entities must be coincident. So here in add relation, choose the coincident, and now the diameter of this circle is 48 millimeters. So I choose the smart dimension and here I give it 48 millimeter. It's okay. Now you can see all the lines are black and here we can see a blue point here. It means that your sketch is not still fully defined. You can see it is fully defined in fact because the central line are not considered in the sketch and they are just helping us to draw our sketch better. So it doesn't matter, but you can see it is moving because it's blue. So I move the line here and I will connect the line to the circle here. So you can see I can't move my sketch anymore. You can see I can't move it. It doesn't move because all the entities are black. Remember that the centered entities like the circle or the line are not considered in your sketch, and you can see it is fully defined. So it doesn't matter. So here we have a pattern. You can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 11, 12 circles. So we have to pattern these circles. Here I choose linear pattern square. You don't have to choose this option, and here there's a symbol, and choose circular sketch pattern. And in the first parameter you have to choose the center of uh, the origin point here, the center of the circle, and here you have to choose the entity. You can see the circle is being patterned according to the point here, and we need 12 circles. So here I will apply 12 circles. You can see it is 12. Now I choose OK. Now I have to make it fully defined. You can see I can move the circles right like this, and I hold the control button on my keyboard and choose the center point of this circle and choose this circle, and I give it coincidence relation. Again, I have to give this point and this point coincidence relation. You can see all the entities are black and my sketch is fully defined. Now we need to draw another circle. So you can see there are another pattern. There are 4 circles here. So the diameter is 47, and I choose the circle here, and I draw a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 10 millimeters. So here I choose a smart dimension and it's 10 millimeter. Okay, now I have to choose a linear circular pattern and choose this point here, and here I choose the circle, and I need 4 circles. Okay, now I have 4 circles, but the dimension is 74 millimeter. Here I choose a smart dimension, and here I choose this point here, and the center of the circle here is 74 millimeter. You can see my sketch is not black because my sketch is moving, and I have to give it relation. So you can see the center of this circle here is vertical to the origin point. So I hold the control button here and I choose this point and I give it vertical relation. Now my sketch is not still fully defined. You can see my sketch is still moving, and the center of this pattern must be merged to this origin point. Here I coincident, and you can see my sketch is black. Now we have to draw these arcs here. I'm gonna use the trim entities instead of using arc. It's much easier. So I choose the circle here, and I draw a circle, a bigger circle here, and the dimension of the circle, in fact arc, is I think I have forgotten to give the dimension. So I'm gonna draw this arc here. So the center of this arc is concentric to this circle. So I draw a circle here, and again I will apply the circular sketch pattern, and I choose this one, and you can see the circles are patterned, and I need 4 of them. So here 4. Okay, now I have to make it full define. So the diameter of this circle is 20 millimeter. It is an arc, but I will trim the circle. So I have to apply 20 millimeter dimension is 20 millimeter. You can see these circles are completely black, and this circle must be coincident to the center of this circle. So I held the control button and I have chosen these two entities, and they must be coincident. Okay, now they are coincident. Now you can see uh, here is extra, and we have to delete them. So here I choose trim. If I choose this entity, you can see the whole circle is chosen, and I need only this part. I only need this part, and I have to trim this section here. So I choose the trim entity, and I hold the left click on my mouse, and here I have to just move it here and here, and I don't need here and here and here. So I do the same thing for the other circles. So please follow along me, or do it after watching this video. Please do Control Z. Here we need this circle, so I have to delete here and here, and the last one here, 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 here. Okay, now you can see the circles have been turned to blue. It means that the relations have been changed, and we need to make it fully defined again. So you can see the dimension is changing. We have to apply the dimension. So the dimension here we have the radius, but here I have a diameter, so it's 10 millimeter, the radius of this circle, and these circles, you can see the circle here is not concentric to this circle here. So I hold the control button, and here again I have to choose the whole control button and the circle here and the concentric relation, and it is still moving, and we have to apply all the relations again. You can see there are green symbols here. It means that they are patterned, and you can see this symbol here. It means that it is coincident to this circle. So all the arcs here, here, and here are equal, but it is not concentric to this circle. So I have to apply another relation. It is concentric. Now you can see all the entities are black, and it is exactly the same sketch here. Please practice at home. It needs just practicing, and watch this video for 2 or 3 times. Just practice at home and play with these tools, and just make your sketch fully fine and make it black. You can see my sketch is not moving, and it means that everything is okay and all right. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your comments give me energy. See you in the next video.